How to learn SQL in DataCamp. Are you guys facing issue to learn SQL on DataCamp website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, now just simply search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll be able to view this search bar icon. Just simply click on it and you'll be able to see options like SQL, Python and many other options. You are looking to search for SQL, right? Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you'll be able to view options or courses related to SQL. Courses like Introduction to SQL, Intermediate SQL, Joining Data and SQL, and many other options that can enhance your skill. That's it, guys. That's how we're gonna learn SQL on DataCamp website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.